So hello and welcome to our second lecture in BTC Server Open Source Bitcoin Payments Processor course by techletters.net. So basically in our first lecture we explain about the course overview and the objectives, like what are the course overview and objectives. Now in this lecture we will talk about BTC Pay Server. Basically, this is the introductory lecture. So basically, we'll talk about BTC Pay Servers and like what are the key features of BTC Pay Server and how it works. So let's get started. So here you can see that I am opening this PBD, and here you can see BTC Pay Server open source Bitcoin payments processor, a comprehensive guide to BTC Pay Server and open source Bitcoin payments processor. Okay, so let's go on techlatest.net website, and here you can see the techlatest.net website. If you click on product and support page and search about BTC Pay Server product, so here you can see the BTC Pay Server Bitcoin payments made easy. If you open this, so here you can see the GCP deployment guide, AWS deployment guide, Azure deployment guide, and here you can also check the benefits of fully synced Bitcoin full node and use cases of this VM, and then core features, integration capabilities, plugins for extended functionality, and a lot of things here. So you can check out this on techlatest.net .net website, and also our all the three guides including GCP, AWS, and Azure are coming very soon. Okay, so let's okay, so let's talk about first about the BTC Pay Server. Basically, if you check the documentation of BTCPay server, here you can see the docs.btcpayserver.org, and here you can see the user guide, deployment guide, and development guide. Okay, so we will go through with user guide, and if you click on user guide, here you can see the introduction about the BTCPay server. So I've also tell you about from my side. So basically, BTC Pay Server is a revolutionary tool in the world of cryptocurrency payments, designed to empower individuals and businesses to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies without relying on third-party services. So basically, this lecture will introduce you to fundamental concepts, features, and benefits of BTC Pay Server, providing a comprehensive overview of those interested in adopting this technology. Okay, so BTC Pay Server is a self-hosted. Basically, it is also open source. If you are open source contributor, so you can also good to go for open source contributions in Bitcoin in BTC Pay Server. If you check the GitHub repo of this BTC Pay Server, here you can see the BTC Pay Server repo. So you can good to go for open source contribution also. Okay, so let's deep dive into it. It allows user to accept Bitcoin payments directly into their wallets without incurring transaction or processing fees, aside from the standard network fees associated with Bitcoin transaction. The platform is designed to be secure, private, and censorship resistant, making it an ideal choice for those who value financial sovereignty and control over their funds. Okay, so basically this is about the like basic introduction about the BTC Pay Server. Here you can also see BTC Pay Server is a free, open source, and self-hosted Bitcoin payments gateway that allows sovereign individuals and businesses to accept Bitcoin payments online or in person without any fees. Okay, and how BTC Pay Server works? So BTC Pay Server is a self-hosted and automatic invoicing system. At checkout, a customer is presented with an invoice that they pay from their wallet. BTC Pay Server follows the status of the invoice through the blockchain and informs you when the payment has been settled so that you can fulfill the order. It also takes care of payments refunding and Bitcoin management alongside plenty of other features. Okay, you can also check the features: direct peer-to-peer Bitcoin payments, no transaction fees other than the network fees, no processing fees, no middleman, no KYC, non-custodial. Then enhanced privacy, security, self-hosted software are also open source, Lightning Network, then Tor support, opt-in altcoin integration, and there are a lot of things like crowdfunding, payment request, and other things. Okay, so and I'm also tell you about something, and here you can also see that my BTC Pay server is also running. Basically, my VM is running, and here you can see a lot of things like pull payments, crowdfund, and you can see a lot of plugins. Other things we'll also cover this thing in deep about the uh, UI and UI of BTC Pay server. Okay, and then if I'm talking something more about BTC Pay server, so basically there are some key features like you can direct control over funds. BTC Pay server enable users to maintain full control over their private keys and funds. This non-custodial approach ensures that users are not dependent on any intermediary, which enables enhance both security and privacy. Then no fees. One of the most appealing aspects of BTC Pay Server is that it does not impose transaction fees or processing fees. This allows businesses to maximize their profits by keeping more of their revenue. Okay, if you check the features of BTC Pay Server, I'm already tell about these features, but you can also check here. So here you can see the no transaction fees, then versatile payment option. The platform include various payment methods including bitcoins and altcoins, and integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify. If you check the UI of BTC Pay Server, so here you can see the Shopify point of sale, and if you click on manage plugins, so there are a lot of plugins and other things here. Okay, you can check the in payments option, also full payment, half payment. Then this flexibility make it suitable for both online and physical store. Then invoicing and payment management, you can also check the payment and invoice management here. So you can see the payments option. Okay, so basically BTC Pay Server includes an automatic invoice system that tracks payments through the blockchain. Merchant can generate invoices that customers pay directly from their wallets, receiving information when payments are settled. Then Lightning Network support for those look to enhance transaction fees and reduce costs further. BTC Pay Server supports the Lightning Network, allowing for instant payments and lower fees for microtransaction. User-friendly interface, the platform features and user-friendly interface. You can see the user-friendly interface here. Yeah, okay, so the platform features an initiative user-friendly dashboard that simplifies the management of stores, invoice, users, and payment requests. This user-friendly design ensure that even those who with minimum technical expertise can navigate the system effectively. Okay, so basically, if I'm talking about conclusion, so in summary, BTC Pay Server stand out as a powerful solution for anyone looking to accept payment securely, accept cryptocurrency payment securely and efficiently. Its open source nature foster community involvement and continuous improvement, while its robust features cater to diverse use cases in both e-commerce and physical retail environments. By adopting BTC Pay Server, businesses can achieve greater financial independence and enhance customer trust through direct payment processing. Okay, so this is about the BTC Pay Server. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and on other social platforms. Okay, so bye bye. We will meet in next video.